In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the benevolent. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope all of you doing well. Welcome to English class. I'm your teacher Aisha Rafiq. Today we will learn about the very interesting topic adverbs and its types. Okay, now what's first of all tell me what is adverb? An adverb is a words that modifies, edify, and qualify the meaning of verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. An adverb is a powerful part of speech that modifies, explains, or provides extra detail about a verb, an adjective, or even another adverb. Adverb allow us to enrich our communication by answering essential questions: how, when, where, how often, to what extent, degree. For example, in modifying verbs. She reads, she, she is the subject, reads the verb, and carefully modify the verb. There are four classifications: adverb of manner, adverb of degree, adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of frequency, and adverb of conjunctive adverbs. Okay, now first of all, we'll discuss about the adverb of manner. What is adverb of manner? An adverb of manner describes how an action takes place. An adverb of manner describes the way or how a specific action is performed. They represent the largest category of adverb. Most are usually built by taking a descriptive adjective and appending ly to the end. It always answers how an action takes place. For example, we can say, he played the violin patiently. How he played the violin? He played the violin patiently. Next example, the child smiled joyfully. How the child smiled? The child smiled joyfully. So this is the adverb of manner. Adverb of time. Adverb of time always tells us about the when an action takes place, explains exactly when an action occurs, how long it persists, or when it can conclude. They clarify sequence, history, and future. They help answer the question when an action takes place. Common adverbs of time are today, yesterday, soon, already, later, then, tomorrow. Okay, now come to the adverbs of place. What is adverb of place? Adverb of place tells us answer where an action takes place. An adverb of place pinpoints exactly where the action of the verb occurs. They are typically found right after the main verb or the direct object. They indicate direction, specific location, relative position, or distance. It always answers where an action takes place. The signs pointed everywhere. Location, please step inside. So this is the adverb of place. Adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency tells us about how often an action takes place. Adverb tells us how often an action is performed. The frequency can be represented along the continuous scale of probability. For example, we can say how often an action takes place. It always means 100%. How often an action takes place? Usually means 80%. How often an action takes place? Often means 60%. How often action takes place? Sometimes 40%. And when we talk about the rarely, how often an action takes place means 15%. Adverb of frequency are normally placed right before the main verb of the sentence. For example, we can say, I usually read books. Adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree tells us about the intensity of an action, adjective, or other adverbs. It always answers to what extent and how much an action takes place. For example, we can say extremely, extremely, catching eyes, very, full, fully, quite, completely, bravely, barely. The class was exceptionally attentive. So this tells us about the answers. It always answers to what extent an action takes place or how much an action takes place. Conjunctive adverbs. Conjunctive adverbs operate like bridges. They connect independent class and show relationship between ideas. They establish contrast, causality, addition, or sequence. For example, however, therefore, meanwhile, subsequently, instead. For example, we can say she prepared well, therefore she excelled. So this is all about the adverb and its types. If you have any question, any confusion about the topic, you can discuss with me in the online class which will be conducted on Friday, tomorrow inshallah. See you, take care, Allah Hafiz.